my lovely assistant, and this is our room. It is insane. We had a quick look around. However, we're going to start here. These are your lights, touchscreen. Everything's touchscreen. The lights will go off eventually. There you go. They're all off. Stick them all back on. You stick your key in for the electricity, I'd imagine. Behind door number 1.
The bathroom.
Now this bathroom, I could spend all night in here. Obviously your toilet, your sink, which is just huge. It comes with all this molten brown stuff. A radio, I think that is, in the corner. Massive bathtub. We asked them to pre-fill it for when we get here, so that was nice of them. You got your towel row. That is a tongue twister and a half. You got your rainfall walk-in shower. Just this bathroom is massive. I don't think the camera does it justice, just how big it is.
It's huge.
And as we come out, just here, we've got our coffee machine. Obviously all the stuff you need. Got some peanuts, got some biscuits, which I'm definitely diving into. In here, I think,
little coffee pods.
Coffee pods and milk. Just down here, we've got, be careful, our fridge. Got some Coke, waters, they're all complimentary. And then just next to it are your glasses. Now, as we come into the room,
it's so nice.
This is our stuff, just we dumped out the way.
Yeah.
Now this room is just huge. However, we're gonna start just over here.
With the huge.
She's struggling to open it.
Orange.
So you got your safe, you got your iron, you got your slippers for the spa.
Yeah.
Nice touch. They feel very soft. Hairdryer, coat hangers, got our robes for the spa tomorrow, and an ironing board, which I'm gonna need for when we go to dinner. Big mirror, so you can, pose and stuff. You got next to your bed, obviously, the lighting again. When you go to sleep, you got a reading light, which will come in handy if you like reading. You've got your USB, and I'm pretty sure the same as the other side.
This is the
Distracted me. Look at her just chilling. It's like you're in a little office.
A little office, little side.
Nice little picturesque corner.
Yes, it's cute.
Again, you got the same this side. Our first phone. Yes, there's more than one. We got some drawers. It come with
a little note, a
little letter for us. We haven't opened it yet, so it's going to be interesting to see what that is. And what is that? What's inside that? What the hell are they?
Chocolates.
No way.
They're so pretty.
They look like marbles. It comes with some...
It looks like the solar system.
That is crazy.
They're so cute.
They look good. I can't wait to
We've got a patio
dive into them. We do have a patio, so if you do watch the full vlog...
We'll see it tomorrow.
Yeah, we're going to head out there tomorrow. A little desk area. You got a bin, another phone, some more lights, a mirror. Got a little pen if you need to write down some notes.
A little sofa-esque thing.
A sofa, which is pretty fancy as well. That could be pretty picturesque. And then the TV. Welcome Miss Briscoe, who is this lovely lady.
On the bed.
We didn't even plan that. That was nice in sync. How's the bed? Is it soft?
Very comfy. And I like the little pillows. They're very
Yeah, it's a nice touch, isn't it?
Little Rudding Park.
What a room. Hope you enjoyed the tour, guys. Any questions? Feel free to ask.
Yes.